Our bubble walls can be set up in minutes despite their impressive grandeur. The first task is to place the wall into the base. Simply slot it into the center and then tighten up the pre-installed nuts. Now for the pump. Firstly, connect the light sensor and the pump. Ensure that the remote sensor is positioned correctly within the box. The enclosed box is included with our outdoor bubble walls. Plug the power cable into the control box. Place the box's base into position. Now carefully run the cables and tubing through the holes on the edge of the base. The box's base can then be secured with the supplied screws. The box is ready once the 4 screws are in place. The tray can now be screwed onto the box. Remember to ensure the sensor is visible. The pump can now be connected to the wall's base. Connect the 2 light cables' female and male connections. The pump's 2 clear tubes connect to the blue nozzles on the base of the wall. Also, ensure that the blue nozzles are tightened securely to the wall to prevent leaks. The power cable runs out of the hole situated at the back of the base. Feed it through and then you can slot the tray into place. It will sit neatly on the base. Now for the fun part, water. Use distilled water to prevent calcium deposits and algae from appearing. Connect the power cable to the power adapter and plug. We also supply some attractive pebbles, but you can decorate it as you please. Plug it into the mains, turn it on using the remote and watch it bubble away. You can also change the size of the bubbles. Simply use the adjustment air valve to change the bubble's size. Of course, it really comes alive at dusk or when indoors. And you can always dig a hole to cover the base. Primrose. Everything for the garden.